Hey everyone, Mark Rober here, and today I'm breaking down how computers work in the simplest way possible. You ready? Let's dive in. So, computers, they're everywhere, right? Your phone, your laptop, even your smart fridge, all these gadgets are essentially computers. But have you ever stopped to think about how they actually work? Don't worry, it's not as complicated as it seems. First off, it all starts with think of input as everything you do to interact with your computer. Typing on a keyboard, clicking a mouse, or even just touching the screen, that's all input. Your computer needs a way to take in instructions from you. It's like you're the director and the computer is your actor, waiting for commands. Next we move to, this is the big one. In the processing stage, your computer's brain, the CPU, takes over. The CPU, or central processing unit, is like the computer's chef. You give it raw ingredients, your input, and it turns those into a delicious meal called data. Imagine you're asking your computer to play a video. You click play. That's your input. The CPU gets to work processing data from the web, decoding the video, making sure it runs smoothly. It's like magic happening inside a tiny chip. But wait, there's more. The CPU doesn't work alone. It's got helpers like RAM and storage. RAM, or random access memory, is like your computer's short-term memory, helping it keep track of what it's doing right now. Storage, on the other hand, is the long-term memory, where all your files, photos, and apps live. Finally, this is where the computer shows you the result of all that processing. It's the end product, like the delicious meal ready to eat. The output can be anything from a web page loading, a game running, or a document printing. Your screen, speakers, and printer are all output devices. So let's recap. Computers take in from you, the user. They process that input with the help of the CPU and other components like RAM and storage. And then they give you the results of all that processing. Pretty cool, right? Understanding these basics can demystify how these amazing machines work. Now, next time you click, type, or swipe, you'll know the journey your commands take inside your computer. Thanks for watching. If you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple explanations on complex topics. See you next time. Stay curious.